Hello again. This recording and the next two slides include the bibliography. The journal articles are a literature review in the areas covered, including universal design for learning, inclusivity, and assistive technology. There are also articles authored by Dr. Kopferman and his colleagues regarding transition planning, self-directed summary of performance, and assistive technology. I really enjoyed interviewing Dr. Kopferman and learned a lot. I hope you also enjoyed this presentation. I'm looking forward to your comments and questions and our discussion and learning from your experience. Thank you.